Feeling stressed? Just breathe. Hey everyone, let's talk about stress. It's like that annoying house guest who just won't leave. Work deadlines, traffic jams, trying to find the matching sock life can be a whirlwind. But guess what? There's a simple, free, and surprisingly effective way to chill out breathing. You might be thinking, I breathe all the time. And you're right, you do. But we're not talking about just any breathing. We're talking about mindful, deep, stress-busting breathing exercises. These exercises are like giving your brain a mini vacation. They help you relax, focus, and feel more energized. Plus, they're super easy to learn and you can do them anywhere, anytime. No yoga pants required. So are you ready to discover the magical power of your own breath? Let's dive in. Stress, it happens to the best of us. We all get stressed sometimes, it's totally normal. Your body is designed to handle stress. Think about our ancestors running from saber-toothed tigers. Stress helped them survive. But these days, we're not running from tigers. We're stuck in traffic, drowning in emails, and trying to remember a million passwords. All this modern-day stress can take a toll on our bodies and minds. That's where stress-reducing techniques come in handy. They help us manage the everyday chaos and find a little peace. And guess what's a super powerful stress buster? You got it, breathing. It's like having a secret weapon against stress right in our own lungs. So, let's learn how to use it, shall we? Why is breathing so important for stress? Okay, pop quiz time. What's the one thing you can't live without for more than a few minutes? That's right, it's breathing. We all know breathing is essential for, well, staying alive. But did you know it also holds the key to managing stress? When we're stressed, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. Our heart rate and breathing speed up and our muscles tense up. It's like our body is ready to wrestle a bear. Deep breathing exercises help to reverse this stress response. They slow down our heart rate, relax our muscles, and tell our brain, it's all good, we can chill now. Think of it like this. Deep breathing is like hitting the pause button on stress. And who doesn't need a little pause in their day? Time to relax. Breathing exercises to the rescue. All right, enough talk about stress. Let's learn some awesome breathing exercises that will have you feeling calmer than a sloth in a hammock. Don't worry, these exercises are easier than explaining to your cat why they can't have your tuna sandwich. We'll start with the classics, then move on to some fun variations. Ready to become a breathing ninja? Let's do this. Deep belly breathing. It's like giving your lungs a big bear hug. Imagine wrapping your lungs in a warm, comforting embrace. First up, we have deep belly breathing. This technique is incredibly powerful and can be done anywhere, anytime. It's the foundation of all breathing exercises, and it's as simple as it sounds. Deep belly breathing helps you connect with your breath and center yourself. Ready to give your lungs some love? Let's dive into the steps. Here's how. 1. Find a comfy spot. This could be your favorite chair, a cozy corner of your room, or even a quiet spot in the park. You can sit, lie down, or even stand. The key is to be in a position where you can fully relax. Just make sure you're in a position where you can relax your belly. This is crucial for the exercise to be effective. 2. Place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your belly. This helps you feel your breath and become more aware of your breathing pattern. This helps you feel your breath. It's a simple yet powerful way to connect with your body. 3. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, filling your belly with air like a balloon. Imagine your belly expanding with each breath. You should feel your belly expanding, not your chest. This ensures that you're breathing deeply and effectively. 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth, like you're gently blowing out birthday candles. This helps release tension and stress. Feel your belly deflate back down. This is a sign that you're exhaling fully and letting go of any residual tension. That's it. Easy peasy, right? With just a few minutes of practice, you can feel more relaxed and centered. Practice this for a few minutes whenever you feel stressed. It's a quick and effective way to calm your mind and body. It's like giving your nervous system a warm hug. So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember to take a few deep belly breaths. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Happy breathing. The 478 technique. Sounds like a Wi-Fi password works like magic. Next up, we have the 478 technique. It's a bit more structured than deep belly breathing, but equally effective. Plus, it kind of feels like you're unlocking a secret code to relaxation. Intrigued? Here's how it works. 1. Close your eyes and get comfy. You know the drill. 2. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whooshing sound. 3. Inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. 4. Hold your breath to a mental count of 7. 5. Exhale completely through your mouth to a mental count of 8. making that whooshing sound again. Repeat this cycle 4 times. You might feel a little lightheaded at first, but that's totally normal. This technique is like a mini power nap for your brain. A lion's breath. Not just for lions anymore. This ancient yogic technique is now a favorite among people of all ages and backgrounds. Feeling a little silly? Good. Embrace the silliness because it's part of the fun and the magic of this exercise. Because our next exercise is called lion's breath, and it's as fun as it sounds. It's a playful way to release pent-up energy and stress. This one is great for releasing tension in your face and jaw, which is perfect after a long day of smiling for those Zoom meetings. It's also beneficial for those who spend hours in front of a computer. Ready to roar your way to relaxation? Let's do it. This exercise will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. 1. Sit comfortably with your hands on your knees like a wise old yogi. Ensure your spine is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. 2. Inhale deeply through your nose. Feel the air filling your lungs and expanding your chest. 3. As you exhale forcefully through your mouth, stick out your tongue as far as you can and open your eyes wide. This exaggerated expression helps in releasing facial tension. Make a ha sound, like a lion roaring. Feel the vibration in your throat and chest as you let out the sound. 4. Relax your face and repeat for 5 to 10 breaths. Each time, feel the stress melting away. This exercise is guaranteed to make you laugh, and laughter is the best stress reliever of all. So let go, have fun, and enjoy the lightness that follows. Alternate nostril breathing balancing act minus the tightrope. Last but not least, we have alternate nostril breathing, also known as Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. This ancient practice is a cornerstone of yoga and meditation, revered for its ability to balance the mind and body. Don't let the fancy name intimidate you. It's super simple and incredibly calming. It's like a mini vacation for your nervous system, helping you to reset and find your center. Plus, it's a great way to impress your friends with your newfound breathing skills. Imagine showing them this technique at your next gathering and watching their amazement. Here's how to become an alternate nostril breathing pro. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be a master in no time. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. This is crucial for allowing the breath to flow freely and for maintaining good posture. Close your right nostril with your right thumb and inhale deeply through your left nostril. Feel the cool air entering your body, filling your lungs. Close your left nostril with your right ring finger and release your right thumb. This switch is key to balancing the flow of energy. Exhale slowly through your right nostril. Take your time, there's no rush. Let the breath out gently and fully. Now inhale through your right nostril. Feel the breath energizing your body, bringing in fresh oxygen. Close your right nostril and exhale through your left nostril. That's one cycle. Each cycle helps to balance the left and right hemispheres of your brain. Continue alternating nostrils for 5 to 10 breaths. With each breath, feel the stress melting away, replaced by a sense of calm and clarity. This exercise is like a balancing act for your nervous system, bringing harmony and peace to your mind and body. It's a simple yet powerful tool to incorporate into your daily routine for overall well-being. Sneak these breathing exercises into your day. Now that you're a breathing exercise expert, it's time to incorporate them into your daily routine. Don't worry, you don't need to quit your job and become a breathing monk. Unless you want to, then go for it. Just a few minutes of mindful breathing can make a world of difference. Try practicing these exercises. First thing in the morning to set a calm and positive tone for the day. Before a big presentation or meeting to calm those pre-performance jitters. In bed to quiet your mind and prepare for a restful sleep. Anytime you feel overwhelmed, stressed, or just need a quick break. Remember, consistency is key. Even a few minutes of daily practice can have a big impact on your stress levels and overall well-being. Science says breathing exercises really work. You don't have to take my word for it. Science backs up the amazing benefits of breathing exercises. Studies have shown that these exercises can lower blood pressure, reduce anxiety and stress, improve sleep quality, increase focus and concentration, and boost your mood. So there you have it. Breathing exercises aren't just some hippy-dippy trend, they're backed by science. It's like having a free, all-natural, stress-busting superpower right at your fingertips. Take a deep breath and go for it. Well, there you have it, folks. A crash course on the power of breathing and how it can help you conquer stress like a boss. Remember, breathing is free, it's easy, and you can do it anywhere, anytime. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, take a deep breath. Try one of these exercises and feel the stress melt away. You've got this. And remember, as I always say, be kind to one another and don't forget to breathe.